Hey everybody, welcome to Sid's Tips. In today's video, I want to share with you how you could make searching easier for you in a very cool way using your Google Pixel phone. Now I've got the Pixel 8 Pro phone, so I'm sharing with you from that. So this may work with the other Pixel phones, but it's very, very cool. And this seems to work with anything that your phone is looking at, including here I've got my camera on facing one of the bird feeders. So on the bottom of the screen, you'll have the three icons. Now, obviously you have to have that setting work for this because I know there's two different options the way you have your phone set up. So I've got the old classic way. So if you press and hold the circle, the dot, you press that down. Now it's going to the search mode. You draw a circle over the item, and now it's going to search and find what you're looking for. So you could see these are what the searches came up with. I mean, how cool is that? Now let's just say you go into your photos and you happen to take a picture of, let's just say, a picture of this bird. Well, what is this bird? Same thing, you press that middle button, you put a circle around that, and you can educate yourself. Now, obviously, there are apps and other things for birds, but this is a great way if you want to make it nice and easy and you don't have another app, you could do that, and it takes you right to Robin. So it works, again, so many different ways. If you are doing, you're looking at an article or whatever it is, again, that you're looking at, you could definitely take advantage of that. Let's see, we'll go ahead here to the feeder. And we've got a bird right there right now. So I am going to do this with the bird. And this is what I just took. And there you go. It's a pine warbler. And so really, really great tool. It can help you out. And, you know, if you're looking, where can you buy the item? Then you could do that. Or if, let's just say it's a museum and you're curious, you see a cool video. I saw a really cool video and I was wondering, where is that located, where that had this really cool effect with shark. I'd love to show it to you, but I'm not sure with copyright and all that I could show it to you. So you can, you know, I saw where it came from. It was in Nassau. So really, really cool. So check this feature out on your Pixel phone. Again, just press that middle dot and you should be good to go. And there is the pine warbler there as well. We'll do one more search. Let's just say you want to find out about this feeder that I have here. I'm going to hold that button down and I am going to circle that. And there you go. I'll give you some options to choose from. So if you have any questions, let me know. But I find this is a very helpful feature that Google has added to the Pixel phone. And any questions you have, let me know. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.